Okay, good morning student. Ninth B algebra lecture. Set we are doing now today. Three more point we will see. Union of two set, intersection of two set, and calculation on the base of formula of the set. Very interesting and it is very easy. So step by step we will see. First, intersection. Dipti, remove that. Who is that? Intersection of two set means this is intersection symbol, inverted U means x belong to A and x belong to B. New set will be formed which belong to A also, B also. For example, suppose A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now join that. Find out the common set, common element. A intersection B means which are in both. So only 3 and 4. How to show this in a Venn diagram? So this is the part 3 and 4 are in both, in this also and this also. That is known as intersection part. So in first, second, third, 4 is there and 5. Okay, here 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So this is your A, this is your B and this part it is A intersection B. By Venn diagram you can show like this. By individual list form you can show by this. First intersection, second topic. Union of set. Dipti, who was that fellow? Hussein something. Joining the link and directly talking with his friend. Dipti, you have not down who was that? Dipti? And for your teacher you are speaking like this, वो teacher आने वाली है. Who is that? And like this you are speaking for teacher. Teacher आने वाली है, teacher आई है. You don't know how to speak. He's coming directly and start talking. Then see the language he is speaking pattern. Teacher, for teacher you are using this word. आने वाली है, जाने वाली है. Shit. U means union and inverted U means common, means intersection. That is X, and X belong to A or X belong to B. These belong to both the group, means union. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. B is 3, 4, 9, 10. Now you have to join both the group. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, no repetition. 4 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there, 10 is there. So combine and make a big group. A and B you have to mix and you have to join one big group. Element will not be repeated. So 3 will be one time, 4 will be one time. So this is the first group, this is the second group. Okay. So intersection means intersection means common. Now intersection means common thing, and union means combined. हाँ एक मिनट I am doing. Now it is clear. Wait. My network is down. Now okay. Dipti, now okay. Screen and voice. Dipti, now it is okay with that? Hello. Dipti, now it is okay? Hello beta. Hello. 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 Okay, wait. Now, hello Dipti, now voice is clear. Hello. Okay. Intersection means the common thing. Union means it is from A also, it is from B also. This or this. Here and I have written and means it should be in both. Here I have written or means it should be either in A or either in B. So when you will join and combine, this double element will be single time in the union. So first intersection means only common you have to take. Union means you have to mix both the group and you have to create one big group, that is a union. So there are some formulas related on union and intersection. first A intersection B or B intersection A will be always same. This and this common or this and this common are always same. Exactly A intersection B is empty. Suppose there is nothing common at that time, it is empty. Next, if this answer is A, means A is totally in B. A intersection B, if the answer is B, means B is totally in A. If this, then this. If this, then this. A and B intersection answer is A, so A is including in B. If A intersection answer is B, B is including in A. And you know the complement. A and A complement always empty. Because A is totally different, A complement are totally different. Same to same, suppose A is taken and find out the intersection. A is 1, 2, 3. Second A is also 1, 2, 3. So what is common? 1, 2, 3 is common. So A intersection A, it is A. Now A and empty intersection. A is 1, 2, 3. Empty is nothing. What is common? Nothing is common. Nothing is common. Like that. Now for union. This will be the same. A union B or B union A are the same. If you merge A into B or if you will merge B into A, the answer will be same. Then A union A complement. It is universal set. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Complement is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the union? 1 to 10. That is a bigger group. A union with empty. In A group, empty is added. So A will remain. In A, suppose you will add A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So your answer will be also 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So A union A, always A. And like this it is reverse. A union B. A union B is equal to, if it is A, if it is B. Here in intersection, if it is A is including B. Here reverse, B is including A. If A union B is B, then A is including in B. In intersection and in union, totally opposite formula. If intersection, if common thing is A, so A is included in B. If the union is B, A is included in A. Sorry, A is included in B. So this in 1 question, 1 mark question they can ask. And how to write this in a group, this Venn diagram. This is A, this is B, this is common, A intersection B. What is common? 3 is common, 4 is common. So write 3, write 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 9, 10. So this is B group, this is A group, this is common group. So when we join all A, B, A intersection B, that will be the total first group, second group and third group. So total, that is a union. So from that we can write the formula. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B plus number of A union plus intersection. So in A and B, when we remove common thing, that you will get number of A union B. Now, how to get the number, for example? Suppose A is A, B, C, D, E, F and B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. What is common? That is intersection. What is common? A is common. E is common only. A and E. So what is a joining group? Total group. A, B, C, D, E, A included, E included, now I, O, U. Now, number of A, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of A is equal to 6. Number of B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of A intersection B. Ulta U means intersection. That is only 2. And number of union, a big combined group, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will say number of A plus number of B, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is correct. A common, E common, correct. A, B, C, D, E, F not written. So it is 9. Okay, so this is 6, this is 5, this is 11. Now number of union, number of intersection, it is 2 plus 9, it is 11. So hence number of A plus number of B is equal to number of A plus B plus number of A intersection B. So this plus this is equal to this plus this, that is the formula, and then this I can transfer here. So A plus B minus intersection is equal to union. This is union. So how to get the number, total number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is number of A is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of B is equal to 5. Like that, we have to count the number. One example is given that I will solve. this is 8, this is 10, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 7. Outside 9, 11, 12. That is a universal set. What we have to find? Universal set, A set, B set, A union B, A intersection B, A complement, B complement, A union B complement, A intersection C complement, A intersection B complement. Always we have to find out this 9. From this 9 only they will ask the question. Now try to get this. It's very easy. It's very easy. U means overall all points we have to write. This is A. Sorry. This is A. This is B. Universal. Universal means all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which are appearing on a diagram. All the number that is a universal, big set, big. Now only A means this round. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B means this round. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. A and B union. A and B union means this. Not 9, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not there, 9 is not there, 10 is there, 10 is inside. So not 10 is a union, 11 is not there, 12 is not there. So 9 is not there, 11 is not there, 12 is not there. A union B means full group, this, not outsider. In A, in B, not outsider. Now what is intersection? Intersection means common of A and B. Common of A and B is 8 and B, 8 and 10. Now very important, you have to concentrate on this universal. Now these all are dash of this 4 group. A complement means all A element you have to remove from universal. B complement, all B you have to remove from universal. You have to write rest. A complement means in A I don't want, 2 I don't want, so 1 is there, 2 I don't want, 3, 4 I don't want, 5, 6 I don't want, 7, 8 I don't want, 9, 10 I don't want, 11, 12. It should not be in this. From this you have to cut. Again, B complement, 1 will not come, 2 will come, 3 will not come, 4 will come, 5 will not come, 6 will come, 7 will not come, 8 will not come, 9 will come, 10 will not come, 11, 12. Now, this complement means 1 will be not there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is also there, 9, 10, 11, 12. Of this complement, so I don't want this, rest of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will be not there, 9, 10 will be not there, 11, 12. So first universal means full figure. only A means this round, only B means this round, union means all this 1 2 3 part, intersection means this only. Now you got this, no need of diagram. A complement, you can find out from this. A complement means not this, rest of this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Complement of B, not this, rest of. Now complement of union, not this, rest of 3 only. Complement of intersection means not 8 10, rest of all. Means from universal, if you will delete this, you will get complement. For union, if from this, if you will delete all this, rest will be the complement. A complement means this, you will delete from this, it will be A complement. From this, if you will delete all B, you will get B complement. One more example we are taking. This is first, so first. Second, here I will only write second. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So this is your, see, same question I am repeating. This is universal, this is only A, this is only B, this one is A intersection B. Okay, so start with union, then A, then B, then A union B, then A intersection B. From this 4, and again 4, A complement, B complement, A union B complement, this much with this point. First of all, U means all. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. All which are present. Now only A. Only A means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Only B, C, E, H, G, I, J, K. Union means full, not L and M. L and M will be not there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now intersection which are in both A and B, C, E, H. Now A complement means I don't want A. Rest of A is A complement. I don't want A. So it is G, I, J, K, L, M. So from this, when you will delete this, rest part is this. B complement, from this delete B. So delete B, A, B, D, F, L, M. A union B complement. A union B is this. A union B is this. What is rest? L, M. Complement means rest part. Intersection is this. We don't want intersection, rest. So ABDF. Complement is not there. GIJK. element. So like that, you should know how to catch the element from the diagram. One example I have given numerical type. One example I have given alphabetical type. Again, first is what? All the elements which are appearing, you write as universal. Only A means only this circle, all element. Only B means all this circle. Internal, this also, this also. Union means this and this, all three. Only intersection, common part. Now if you get A from universal, remove all A, you will get A complement. From this, remove this. In an exam, what you will do? Take a pencil. C, C, E, E, H, H, H. So what is remain? Write B complement. Then draw. You want this complement? Cut from this. What is remain? Right here. You want intersection complement? C cancel, E cancel, H cancel, right. So every time for the complement you just match. If you will match this and this, you will get this complement. If you will delete from this element, you will get this complement. If you want A complement of all A remove, B remove, C remove, D remove, E remove, F remove, G remove, H remove. So whatever I, J, K element, so A is equal to G, I have by mistake I have cancelled, G, I, J, K, L, N. So what is remain? That is a complement. In exam you will do like this. So very easy. This all element, if you will delete from universal, every time you have to delete from the universal, so you will get complement. Follow? And at the end, formula. How much number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number of S is equal to 12. So number of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, two. Correct. Now check. Number of A, number of B, separate. Number of union, number of A union B, number of plus number of A intersection B. So number of A is 5 only, number of this is 6 only, so it is 11. This is 9 only, this is 2 only. So from that it is proved number of A plus number of B is equal to number of A union B plus number of A intersection B. So this I am taking this side, so you will get union. So number of A, number of B minus number of A intersection B so now number of union, final number of union is equal to number of A plus number of B plus minus number of intersection. From combination, remove common thing, you will get union. Only word problem remain, that we will do in next lecture. But today I am shocked, only 16 students are there. Dipti, what happened? Why only 16 students? Is there any assignment given or any work given, or what may be the reason? Previous lecture done? First lecture? Whose? First lecture which subject? Okay, so next lecture. So every Thursday first lecture is free. That is why students are enjoying and sleeping. Good. But I am shocked that including host and myself lecturer, only 15 students are there. There are 72 students, no? In 9th B. 74 and 14 are present. 60 absent, 60.